Here is another case study videos. So this video is specifically about selling affiliate products or services through email marketing. And here is some of the proof that I have achieved in the last 7 days. Here is the proof that I have made around $959 by selling affiliate products through email marketing. Yeah, only by sending emails, I have made around $959. I will share all the product details to you. Don't worry about that, right? So let's start this amazing case study video. Hello everyone, my name is Indrajit Naik and you are watching Credit Minister. So for those who don't know who I am Indrajit Naik and I am from India. And I have started my entrepreneurial journey last year and have successfully made more than $30,000. You can just check out the last videos of this channel and by the point you can have idea that who I am actually. But check those videos after watching this video completely, right? Just stay till end and I am going to tell you about how I made those $959 in just 2 days, right? So basically for those who don't know what is affiliate marketing, let me tell you in short that there is a seller who is selling his product. There is a customer who is buying those products. And there is a person who is acting as a mediator whom you will named as affiliate marketer, right? Who is going to be the bridge between the seller and the customer. Yeah, the seller who is selling the product is going to be sold by the affiliate marketer actually to the customer, right? And the seller will ship those products to the customer. I think this is the most simplest definition I have ever taught to anyone else, right? In this video, I am not going to tell you about other affiliate platforms, right? Like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Digistore or anything like that, right? Though these were the best platforms, no doubt. But today in this video, I will specifically going to show you the results of JVZoo, right? This is the platform where I have made more than $950 in just 2 days. And also, for those who don't know what is email marketing, let me tell you a short description in brief about this thing, right? And one more thing guys, I haven't made these email list in just one single day, right? This is my effort which I have made from more than I guess 1 year, right? I have an email list of people which I am collecting from 1 year, from the last 1 year, right? So for those who think that I can grab emails in just one single day, that is not possible actually, right? So during promotion of the products, what I actually supposed to do is that this is the product, right? This is the landing page. What I used to do is that I used to embed an opt-in form in the landing page so that whenever the user visits here, he will just going to enter his email, phone number, or not phone number actually, but the first name and last name, and that's it. And after that, he will move towards the product page. And after that, he will move towards the order form or something like that, right? So this is how the overall structure is actually looking like. The user, instead of going to the product page, he actually visits my landing page where I am providing an opt-in form to him, right? After filling up the opt-in form, he just moved towards the sales page and after that he just moved towards the order form, and that's it. The email list which I have built from the last 1 year is related to the software, right? So I can sell any software to these users just because these were the emails from those users who have buy the software from my links, right? And this is how you can also do this. The best platform for email marketing is GetResponse. If you want a separate video for GetResponse, you can just comment down. And if you already knew about GetResponse, then you can just sign up from the link given in the description box below. After that, you just have to create a list where you will going to bring the traffic to. And after that, people will going to enter their details over there. And those details will be going to collected in your list, the private list which you have created in the GetResponse. And that's it. You can just sell another products to those users. I can't show you my GetResponse account just because most of the section is filled up with some confidential information. That's why I can't show you the whole database. But if you want some tutorials regarding GetResponse, then you can just comment down and I will definitely going to create a video for that. Let's move towards the proof. This is what everyone wants till now, right? Let me explain you while showing you the proof at the same time, right? So this is the first page after signing in into the JVZoo affiliate dashboard, right? So this section is for the seller. Though I am not the seller, that's why it is showing 000 in all over the places. And this is for the affiliate. Today I have made nothing just because I have broadcasted the emails just for the 2 days, and that was yesterday and the day before yesterday, right? And you can see that yesterday I have around 17 visitors, and from those 17 visitors I have around one sale of $47, giving me a 50% commission of $23, right? So let me refresh this for you so that you don't think that this is fake. Here we go. You can see that the data haven't changed, right? So let me take you to the transactions, right, that those users have made. I'm going to blur out the PayPal IDs just because I don't want to show you that thing, right? So let me refresh this for you, right? Just because I don't want you to think that this is fake. I am actually too much excited to show you these proofs, right? So here we go. And here is the proof that this is not fake. So let me explain you something that what it is actually. So these were the products, right? What I have sold, right? And I'm not going to blur out the products just because these were already in competition and I have already made income from those products through email marketing where I have zero competition, right? So these were the products and you can see the status. It is already completed and amount. This is what most of you must have been fond of. $959, approximately $1,000 in just 2 days. You can see here the date 24 and 25. In just one day, I have made more than $800, I guess. And yesterday I have made around $23. That's it. So this is what the dashboard look like. But what about the number of clicks and conversion rate? Let me take you to that place too. By the way, for those who thought that this is not my account, here is my name, right? Indrajit Naik. And let me refresh this for you once again so that you guys should not think that this is fake. So actually I am too much excited for this video. That's why you can hear some kind of excitement tune from me, right? So this is the data, right? Let me show you what it is actually. See, I have broadcasted 4 emails, generating me a conversion rate of 10.20%, right? I have 130 clicks and 98 visitors. From those 98 visitors, I got 10 sales. This is it. I have broadcasted, as I said, I have broadcasted 4 emails. These were the 4 emails which generated me 6 sales, right? From those 6 sales, how it is possible that I have made 10 sales? This is all because of the OTOs which the sellers were provided. These were the OTOs which most of the people bought after buying the product from here. See, alone from OTOs, I have made more than $100, right? See this. People also bought $389 product, the high ticket product from that one email only, right? From that one email, people also bought the high ticket product, $389, generating me a sale of $778. Believe me guys, email marketing is one of the most effective thing which all of the affiliate marketers were doing right now. So let me refresh this for you once again. Here is the refreshing button and I'm just refreshing it, moving the mouse all over the place so that you won't think that this is fake, right? And this is actually real. This is it. $959 in just 2 days. So I hope you guys get the idea about how the email marketing is actually working. I haven't told you the strategy behind this. I think there is no strategy behind this. Just because you want a proper email swipe letter, right? That one convertible letter can make you more than $100,000 through just one email, right? This is what the email marketing is actually. I actually generated most of my emails through email softwares or through some freelancers, and also if it is possible, then I could generate it from myself too, right? This is how the email marketing actually works. You only need the convertible email swipe letters, right? And all the things will be provided to you through the software only. And once again, if you have idea about what is GetResponse, then you can just sign up to that through the link given in the description box below. And if you want to know more about GetResponse, then you can just comment down so that I can create a separate video for that too. And one more thing guys, have you checked out our website, theblogmentor.com? We have provided most of the premium courses for free. So don't forget to check out theblogmentor.com. And if you like this video, this original case study video, then you can just give this video a like. I don't know whether you have liked it or not, but if you haven't, then just give a thumbs up to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, Credit Minister, and also press the bell icon too. Till then, it's Indrajit Naik signing out. Bye.